The city of Rogers has a brand new park they're pretty proud of, and they should be. This is Mount Hebron Park, located on Mount Hebron Road, very close to Pinnacle Hills. It's got soccer fields, baseball diamonds, a huge walking trail around a pond, great playground, and even a water park. Take a look. I'm not a soccer player, but if I was, this would be the place. I mean, look at this. It's beautiful. Artificial turf, you can't beat it. He's got the ball. Let's see if he can score. He's heading toward the goalie. That's all I know about soccer. He shoots. That's all I got. The asphalt is hot too. Goal! And if you want to get away from the loudness of the park, come out here to the pond on the walking trails. It's beautiful and it's quiet.